All right. Hey, everybody, it's Mitch Alomar. And
Renzo Buckingham.
hey, guys. So, in this video, we're going to come back in and show you more and more about Facebook ads, all about paid ads. So, Renzo, what are we going to discuss today on this topic?
Today we're gonna just do the basic stuff. Start an ad.
All right. So, within your CRM, within your system, how to get started for beginners, right? We're going to discuss underneath marketing, and then you click on Ads Manager. There's just going to be this setup here. Now, we're going to discuss Facebook ads for starters, how to actually set it up.
This is for beginners. It's for someone that just wants is tired of spending tons of money on leads. You're looking to save money by doing it yourself, and you're gonna save a lot of money by doing it yourself. And we're gonna teach you that today.
Yeah. So here, there's going to be three options. There's going to be Google, Meta, and LinkedIn. So on this topic, we're going to discuss just Meta. Here, there's going to be for start from scratch or add templates. I recommend looking for ad templates. Renzo, why should we look at ad templates?
Well, especially if it's your first ad going out, it's built like 80% of it's built the image and the creative. So you could get the ball rolling really quick as you learn how to make creatives and ads. I mean, not everybody could be Renzo, but the template helps you get there.
All right, so let's see. Now let's go into there's a lot of ad templates, and these are just to get you started, depending on what type of business you do
Let's
from
do automotive.
there's
I know like
automotive. Let's go down the list, Renzo. So there's
all right, let's
automotive,
check out the list. Home services, insurance, legal, marketing
legal,
agency.
marketing agency. This is for yourself or for your clients. If you are a marketing agency, you could click this. If you have a client who does legal, let's
You
get
do it for your
into
client or for yourself,
yeah,
small businesses.
let's get into home services. And you're like looking at all of these, like, oh, I don't like them, or this is just to get a foundation of you have a let's say an HVAC company, you have a roofing company. This is just to get started on the type of structure. So
Yeah, it
let's
gives you
say,
an idea.
yeah. So let's say I have a roofer, but you know what? I like this HVAC. And let's just choose template. Here you could preview it or choose it. So if you preview it, you can actually see how it's going to look. Uh, when you go to feed, there's going to be the feed of how it, when you're browsing on Facebook, where it's going to show. On the stories is when you're scrolling or the reels. So that's on Facebook, and then you can look at on Instagram, same thing. And if you choose template, we're going to actually Uh, should we let's discuss it on the next video, Renzo, of how to build out a template. I think the first starting is like you connecting it, you looking at your templates. Now, the next video we're gonna do choose a template. Is that okay, Renzo?
Sure.
All
Let's
right, guys, click the next link below.